How to butterfly a bronzino. You'll need a towel, scissors, fish, and a knife. First, we're going to remove the head. Cut diagonally back towards the belly, behind the head, gills, and fin. Flip your fish, and do the same thing on the other side. To cut the head off, sometimes you need to apply a little pressure. Bang. Next, we're going to remove the spine. From the open cavity, cut along the top of the spine towards the tail. You should be able to see the spine bones, like so. Remember to try and use long, smooth strokes. I like to score the inside of the rib bones to give me a line for the scissors here. Take your scissors and cut the rib bones free from the spine. You should be able to see the flesh underneath the ribs. Cut towards the tail with your knife riding along the top of the spine. Be careful not to cut too deep because we want to keep the skin intact. Cut along the other side of the anal fin. Yes, it's called the anal fin. Towards the tail, but this time apply upward pressure. Score along the rib bones if you like, then take your scissors and remove the ribs from the spine. Cut along the spine towards the skin, but be careful not to cut through it. You should now have a flappy spine piece, which we can now remove with our scissors. Finally, we're going to remove the rib bones. Take your knife underneath the ribs and cut away from you towards the outer edge of the fish. Do the same thing on the other side. And there you have it, a beautifully butterflied branzino. Thanks for dropping a hook.